Ralph here from MPOWER Tools to introduce you to the new CRB7 ToughBase. We're always striving to bring you the highest quality products we can, and the new ToughBase for the CRB7 is proof. The original CRB7 base was a cast acrylic product, and it was excellent. But the new ToughBase is injection molded nylon. It gives you the same stiffness qualities as the cast acrylic, but with a much better impact resistance. And it slides better across your materials when you're working with your router. And we've done the same with our edge trimming base. Again, going from a cast acrylic product to an injection molded nylon for durability and ease of use. And there's a new anti-tilt leg that rests on a wider, more stable foot made from the same molded nylon. The ToughBase features the same bridge mounting holes and all the same holes for the edge guide and mortise pillars as supplied on the original base, but we've added a couple of additional options for mounting the edge guide, adding more options to your CRB7 setup. Adding the ToughBase to your original CRB7 couldn't be easier. Simply remove the two screws holding the base to the bridge and mount your new ToughBase to the bridge using the same screws. No need to reset the bridge or recalibrate anything. Your CRB7 is immediately ready for work. For more information about the CRB7 ToughBase or any of our great products, visit our website at www.m-powertools.com.